Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are heading to one of Cornwall's less famously spoken about mining heritage sites, now a nature reserve, Poldice Mine. Come and have a look around with us. Poldice Valley is located on the outskirts of St Day and Caharrick, close to the town of Redruth. This mine is known to be as old as the early 1500s, however was at its peak around early 1700s. In the 1800s, Poldice amalgamated with the neighbouring mine of Wheel Unity, raising 41,000 tonnes of copper before closing. After reopening and closing multiple times in the 1800s, Poldice Mine shut for good in the late 1900s. The site is now a nature reserve, a very large derelict piece of land scattered with the remains of engine houses, buildings and mine shafts. It's very popular for BMX biking due to the hilly nature of the land, running and walking. There is a popular circular walk from Wheel Made around Poldice and back. This walk is about 3.4 miles and a perfect way to spend a sunny afternoon. We've recently headed over and had a look around, so come with us and explore. Do let us know if you have visited Poldice or want to in the future. Please do like and subscribe if you have enjoyed our content, as it helps to get our little channel seen. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you next time.